Hello. So let's quickly demonstrate how to create an exam or a test using pools and random block sets. I will use the concrete example that we are using for the final exam in our department this term. So we will have 45 multiple choice questions and two short essay questions. And we want to have random questions for every student with similar levels of difficulty. So we want to have easy questions, intermediate questions, and difficult questions. And we will have to use random block tests in Blackboard to do so. Of course, for future tests or exams or different types of tests in general, just change the type and numbers of questions and the pools accordingly. So for this example, the split for every student is as follows. We will have 20 easy multiple choice questions, 20 intermediate multiple choice questions, 5 hard multiple choice questions, 1 easy essay, and 1 intermediate essay. We have also decided that around 30% of the questions are going to be from materials discussed before the midterm and 70% from materials after the midterm exam. So clearly, according to these guidelines and considering the features of Blackboard, you have to first create 5 pools, one for easy multiple choice questions, one pool for intermediate multiple choice questions, one for hard multiple choice questions, one pool for easy essays, and one pool for intermediate essay questions. And we chose that we will have 60 easy multiple choice questions in the first pool. So every student will have 20 easy multiple choice questions from these 60 intermediate multiple choice questions in the second pool, and every student will have 20 intermediate multiple choice questions from these, and we will have also a pool with 20 hard multiple choice questions, and the students will have 5 hard multiple choice questions. So for short essays, we need 2 pools of 15 each, and students will have 1 question from each pool. So 1 pool for easy short essays and 1 pool for intermediate short essays. So the first step, of course, is to create the template relying on the Excel file that you already have. So the Excel file is going to be looking something like this. We don't have true or false questions, so you don't need to worry about that, but we will have MC. So TF is for true and false. True or false questions, and MC is for multiple choice questions, and we are going to be also having essay questions. Of course, you will have here the questions, and then you are going to be having the answers, the different options, and after each option you are going to be saying incorrect or correct if it's the right answer. And of course, once you finish with the pool, so for instance, this is going to be the easy multiple choice questions pool file. Once you finish it, you save it actually as a Unicode text file. Okay, and you do this for the rest of the 4 pools. Once you are finished with that, you have to go to your Blackboard and scroll down to the course tools, and from there you click on tests, surveys, and pools. The first thing is actually creating the pools. So you will click on pools, and then you are going to be building the pool. Okay, so you write the name, for instance, multiple choice questions, and E for easy. Okay, and then you are going to be clicking submit. Afterwards, you will have to upload the questions. So to upload the questions, you are going to be clicking on upload questions, and then you are going to be browsing and choosing the corresponding pool. So we said this is the pool for easy multiple choice questions. You select the file that will have the easy multiple choice questions. Okay, so you click open, and then you are going to be clicking submit. And then you are going to be having this page opening up, okay, and you are hitting OK afterwards, and you see that we have the pool imported here, multiple choice questions, easy, and here the file that I'm using has 136, but you need only 60. Uh, so again, you are going to be uh, building another pool, and the second pool is going to be multiple choice questions, for instance, intermediate, submit, okay, and then you are going to be uploading the questions, browse, you are going to be choosing the intermediate, uh, let's say the intermediate questions pool, and you are going to be clicking OK, and then you are going to be submitting. OK, and then again you hit OK until you finish all of the 5 pools. OK, so after that you go back to tests, surveys, and pools. You go to tests, and you are going to be building again a test. So the name of the test is going to be something like final exam, and you specify the subject, and you have the rules from the exam committee to do or to follow in order to name your exam, etc. And then you submit. Here is going to be where we are going to be importing the different pools into the exam. So we have to reuse questions because we have already uploaded pools that already contain the questions. Then you click on create random block, okay, and you see here that you have both of your pools. Let's say that we will choose the first one. You click on it, you check it, and then you select all pooled questions, then you submit, okay, and we said that we want to have 20 questions from the first pool. So here the number of questions is going to be, of course, changed to 20. Submit. Now you have 20. The points for every question for the multiple choice question is going to be, for our case, of course, here it's going to be 0.8. Okay, submit. This is the first block, and you can see here that the total points and the total of questions is updating. This is a good way to verify that you are doing things correctly. After that, you are going to be creating the next random block. You choose the next um, pool, all pooled questions, submit, and here you are going to begin specifying if it's intermediate, like here it's 20, if it's hard it will be 5, etc. And you are going to be also, let's say it's intermediate again, and you are going to be actually entering the points 0.8, and of course once you finish that you are going to be having, this should be 20, it did not take in. And of course you can actually verify in the end. We'll have 47 because we have 45 multiple choice questions and 2 short essays, and the total points is going to be 40 because the short essay questions are going to be out of 2 and the multiple choice questions are out of 0.8. I hope this is clear. If there is something that you don't understand, please contact me and I will try to explain further and give you some extra details. Afterwards, you have to publish, as we said, the test, and you are going to be doing so from the page where you are supposed to publish the test or the final exam, and you are going to be going to assessment. You already, of course, know how to do this. Then you click on test. You will find the final exam test that we have just built available. Then you are going to be submitting, and then you are going to be actually entering the details here, and of course making it available to the students, and setting everything to the correct settings that are established by the exam committee and that you already know. Okay, so be sure that you fill in everything that is required, and make sure to randomize the questions, and then hit submit, and the exam is going to be published. Again, hopefully everything is clear, and if you need anything, again, please contact me. Thank you.